Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how coffee powder is made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Coffee production begins with raw green coffee beans. These beans arrive at the factory in large sacks from coffee-growing regions around the world. First, the beans are unloaded and carefully inspected to remove any damaged or low-quality beans. Next, advanced cleaning machines wash and sort the beans.
Roasting time and temperature are crucial as they define the flavor and aroma of the beans.
Next comes the roasting process. The green coffee beans are fed into large industrial roasters. Heat transforms the beans, developing their color, aroma, and flavor. Temperature and time are carefully controlled to ensure consistent quality. After roasting, the beans are quickly cooled. The roasted coffee beans now move to the grinding stage. High-speed grinders crush the beans into fine coffee powder. The grind size is carefully controlled.
Just a little
Each
more
batch
on the
is
initial
checked
phase.
to maintain uniform texture and taste.
Perfect.
The freshly
That should
ground
hold the
coffee
profile
powder
steady.
is transferred to automated filling lines. Machines accurately fill the powder into jars, pouches, or tins. Each package is sealed to preserve freshness and aroma. Labels and expiry dates are applied automatically. Before leaving the factory, every pack goes through strict quality control. Weight, seal strength, and packaging integrity are carefully inspected. Once approved, the finished coffee products are packed into cartons. Forklifts load these cartons onto delivery trucks.
And that's how coffee powder is made, from start to finish.